When you look at these internal solutions for technology, whether it's ERP back in the late 1990s, it's Salesforce automation, whether it's warehouse and fulfillment systems, or it's voice, there are these problems that people have in terms of inefficiencies, which they see. Like people look at the corporation, they say, hey, where can I get better? Or where am I facing problems? And then voice becomes one of these options in order to solve this problem, to become more efficient, to reduce variability, to enable people to onboard faster, whatever it is, whatever the friction is or the issues you face. Voice might be one of those technologies that you could consider. And my experience with enterprises is that the number one thing that they will do is they will spend money to reduce pain. And that pain could be like hemorrhaging money because it's so costly. It could be like losing sales because you don't have that one component so you can make the end product and then people can buy it. It could be because the IT manager is sick of spending every other weekend working to solve the same problem over and over and over again. Those are the things that motivate corporations to buy because people purchase technology. Corporations do not. And those people either want to make their revenue numbers for the year, they want to make their cost reduction targets for the year, or they just don't want to have to do extra work because problems keep arising. And so they force the corporation basically through their own will to adopt a technology they think can solve that problem. And so there's always these people who are not just championing their own projects, but they're trying to tear down other projects that they're competing with funds for. So I like my model that I've used for 20 years. I developed myself, pains, gains, fears, and peers for enterprise adoption. Fears are, if I don't do this, there's going to be a regulatory problem. If I don't do this, my competitor is going to like scoop up market share and I'm going to be screwed. That's a really powerful motivator. Before that, you're going to see this idea of peers. People are always looking at the competitive element. What are other people doing? And what they're trying to do is they want to achieve. That's really what motivates them. And they drive those early examples of solutions. And then their success, as it becomes widely known, then motivates other people and their peers in the industry to then act because they're like, I can't fall further behind them.